Hey nail tubers, so in the live the other day, we talked about this nail trend blowing up the internet and that I should do this ombre nail art illusion. So I did 3 of them, and the first one is the pink and purple you requested. This was actually good because you'll get to see 2 different nail products used to do this. So yeah, for this first one, I'm using gel polish. And remember, these polishes have that sheer and milky-like characteristic. Now something I do remember about using sheer polishes, and it became somewhat concerning as I started the ombre. By the way, for the gel polish, I used an ombre brush to create the blend effect. So one of the things about the sheer milky polishes is that it took more than 2 coats to get the color to have some presence. Otherwise, you could still see through it, which I didn't think was necessarily good for this particular nail effect. And then too, shears can be kind of funny for an effect like this because the more you try to work it, the thinner it becomes or the thinner it starts to appear. So you see me working it and working it. The colors are pretty though, right? That pink and purple are just lovely together. I just think maybe for some other art form. So the primary layer did take 3 coats. Even though you only saw 2, I did the 3rd as soon as it came out the lamp after the 2nd time. Oh, and each layer was cured for 30 seconds. So I started by marking where I wanted to start a smile line, and it'll get messed up as I work the lower ombre, but it'll get cleaned up again too. Unfortunately though, the sheer milkiness of the colors didn't produce a strong enough effect for this. So see how the colors aren't really standing out on this second half of the ombre that I'm trying to do? They're beautiful as standalone colors though. It was always in the back of my mind that solid creams would be a better choice for this. So I used Model 1's color cubes. And for the second nail, I chose from the All About Wagashi cube and used orange and yellow. And in case you didn't notice, I've also switched to the brush that came with these adorable polished cream cases. These gel creams are so easy to polish on, and a little goes such a long way. The other thing was, the brush did so perfect for ombreing these thicker viscosity gel creams, so I didn't have to switch off or even work hard. Oh, one more thing. Because these are much thicker than gel polish, they are cured for 60 seconds. So once that first primary layer is cured in place, then you'll start your lower ombre, placing the colors, but before those colors is cured is when you create your pattern. The contrast between these two colors really made this look spicy and jazzed up. So as I'm on the side edges of the nail, I just pick up the one color. But you'll also notice that as I do the middle for the ombre, I have split colors on my brush. Yellow on one side and orange on the other to help create the blend. I really do like the pattern of the trendy nail art, but I did decide to add my own twist and do something a little different and go unconventionally crooked. And let me not forget to mention right here that basically it's like a wipe off method or a brush off method before you fully cure this. And there's nothing difficult about this at all. It can be time consuming though. Then an idea came up to do some smaller patterns in between, and I love this so much. Now, because of the way it looks, I felt that matte finish would be the perfect choice for this, and it was. It looks so dramatic and pretty, yet playful all at the same time. Now I did decide to do this in a straighter pattern as well, and the colors that I chose for it is this lighter purple, like this violet, and then this teal color. It's so pretty to me. I think this was the color that I used in my PR video for this. And this is how that one looks, and all it is just straight lines across. Aren't they beautiful? I love them, and if you like them, consider hitting the like button. Remember to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell because there's so much more to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love.